Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for an easy way to track business expenses, streamline reimbursements, and manage company spending all in one place, you are in the right spot, because in today's video I am going to walk you through on how to use TravelBank expense management software so you can simplify your workflow and save valuable time. Let's begin. TravelBank is an all-in-one expense management and travel booking software designed to help businesses track expenses, manage employee travel, and of course, optimize budgets. It simplifies reimbursement, integrates with accounting tools, and of course, it provides AI-powered insights to control spending. The first thing that you need to do is go to the official website, which is going to be travelbank.com. From here, there's going to be two options wherein you can simply get a demo if you want to test waters and get some insights from the TravelBank sales professional. All you have to do is provide all the information necessary and then follow the on-screen instructions. Or you can simply click the login button. You will be forwarded to a new page. And all you have to do from here is continue with your Google account. But if you want to provide a business or work email, just click that and follow the on-screen instructions. And once you have successfully created your account, you are going to be forwarded to the main dashboard, wherein in the left side panel you have all these options for you to explore. Number one is going to be the travel. If you click on it, it's going to be a centralized travel booking system for business trips. Now, it's currently disabled because all you have to do is to reach out for the TravelBank administrator, because for one, you might not have the specific requirements or role, so that you need to contact the TravelBank administrator, or your region is part of the restricted services for TravelBank. Either way, you need to contact the travel administrator, which we were going to do by the end of the video, to unlock the travel booking systems, because this will allow your employees to book flights, hotels, and rental cars within the company policies, providing cost-saving recommendations, and of course, rewarding employees for booking budget-friendly travel. Now, if you go to the expenses and transactions, which is, for me, it's one of the most important part of the platform, because from here, you can track business expenses, allowing employees to submit receipts for reimbursement. How? By clicking the add option here. You have 4 sections from the tracking expense. You can put in a personal card for reimbursable expense, mileage expense, repeat expense, or refund to company. Now we're going to explore the first one. All right, you will be forwarded to this section. Put in the merchant, for example, test demo. Okay, you can put in the date. For example, it's March 1, 2025. Total amount, for example, is going to be like 69 or 6.9. Category is going to be these options: airfare, conference, employee morale, entertainment, ground transportation, lodging, and a lot more. For example, it's going to be like maybe expense for conference. Description is going to be like say for example airfare. All right, you can assign to expense report as general expense. If you want to add, you can do that as well. Now you have more option here, wherein you can click this option to be billable to customer. When enabled, this expense will be marked as a charge to the customer. If you don't want that, just click on no. You can also add a photo receipt, all right, as a proof of purchase. Please be mindful that the file types are only as PDF, JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Now I'm going to add a photo receipt like this one, and if you want to add more, just click on it. I'm going to click the create expense as a test demo. Wait for it. And that's going to be our, if you click the receipt, this is going to be the receipt, all right, as an example. And click on submit. Click on submit. All right. And then again, if you go to the add here, mileage expense, all right, it's the same thing earlier. But for now, this covers the airfare. All right. All I have to do is provide all the information needed, same as the expense earlier. We're going to cancel that because we're just exploring all these options. For the repeat expense, it's going to be like a recurring. Create your expense on a regular basis. If you do that, it will be forwarded here. Same thing earlier. I'm going to cancel because we're just exploring these options. And for the add to company or refund to company, it's the same thing. All right. Now, going back to the left side panel, we're going to explore the reports wherein you can generate expense and travel reports for finance teams. All right, to create a transparency within the organization. It will help business analyze spending trends and policy compliance, providing real-time dashboards for tracking budget usage. All I have to do is click the report button. Report name is going to be, for example, this is TravelBank. Click on add button. Now you have successfully created your expense report. And from here, you have an option for the open and paid. All right. You can add a comment here. So I'm going to add a comment. Say, for example, this is going to be my comment so that the finance department or the accounting section will know this. Click on send. You also have an option to edit report, add, and generate PDF for reference. So these are going to be some of the best handy tools for TravelBank as you go along the way. Now we're going to the report again. Reports. You have the open and the paid section. If you haven't been reimbursed for any expense reports, you would see all of these information. Because, of course, a company wants employees to book flights only with approved airlines. All right? So that would reflect on the report. It provides the finance teams to see how much employees spent on airfare, maybe last quarter, the whole year, monthly, so that they can generate a travel expense report in seconds. It's kind of easy. Now, the last sections is going to be the My Cards, a section for managing linked payment cards used for business expenses. It supports corporate cards, personal cards, and virtual cards. But the thing is, it is kind of limited basing on the region or specific location. For now, if you click the manage your cards, so you can spend limits and see the status of your cards within the TravelBank all in one place. If you do that, it will be forwarded to a new page wherein, as of the moment, you can connect in seconds, 8,000 plus apps, trust played to quickly connect to financial institutions. All you have to do is click the continue button and you need to enter your phone number, or you can continue as guest. If you do, you can select your institutions right here from Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citibank, Capital One, PNC, and a lot more. All right. If, for example, we're going to be choosing HSBC, it's here. So you see that? How about Citibank? Citibank is here. Is it here? Right, Citibank is here. Now, if you're curious about why Plate is involved, all right, it lets you connect your financial accounts. So Plate is partners with a TravelBank. All right, they are providing this service to financial account right here. So, for example, I'm going to be choosing this, and you need to log into your account. Same thing with the Chase right here. All right, and a lot of your institution. I'm going to exit for now. And the last part is going to be the create a company. Why is it important? Because a corporate email is required to set up your company if you're looking forward for the TravelBank as a tool for your business travel and expense management, ensuring compliance, streamlining reimbursements, and providing financial insights. All I have to do is click the create a new account. You'll be forwarded to a new page as a new account. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.